Hello everyone, welcome to another class of Java programming. In this class, we will be discussing about the keyword static and different types of variables that we use in Java. So what is a static keyword? We know that in Java, the members of a class can be accessed with the help of its object or an instance of a class. However, in Java, it is possible to refer a member by itself without reference to a specific instance. So this is possible by declaring the member as static. So to make a member static, we use a keyword static. We use a keyword static to make a variable or members of a class as static. Both the members and that is both the methods and variables can be declared as static. So this is how we declare a variable and declare a method. We just prepend or add the keyword static with its declaration. And instance variables are declared as static are essentially called as global variables. This is because when a class is loaded, the memory is allocated to the static variables, and every time an object is created, the memory is allocated only to the non-static variables. That means any objects of a class can share a copy of the static variables. So essentially these variables which are static are called as global variables. So however, there are certain restraints for the static methods. Those are they can only directly call the other static methods. They can only directly access the static data. And they cannot refer to this or super in any way. And we will discuss about this keyword and super keyword in our ensuing classes. So moving on, types of variables. So Java allows variables to be declared within a block. What's a block here? A block is begin with an open curly brace and ends with a closing curly brace that defines a scope to a variable. So variables which are defined within the scope, that is within the braces, are restricted access from the other methods of the class, thus making them only local to the block in which they are defined. So they are called as local variables. For example, there is a method in which a variable is declared and that variable is called as local variable because the scope of the variable remains only to the method and its scope is restricted. That means the access of the variable is restricted to only the method and cannot be accessed by any other methods in the class. And the variables which are declared as the class variables are referred to as instance variables. So let us understand this topic with an exemplar code. So it will make the elucidation simple and understandable. Let us go to the code. So I have a code here. I declared a variable as static. String name is equal to welcome. And I have a non-static variable, which is a class variable. It's an integer with roll number 1. Okay. Now how do I access this static variable? So I don't need an object to refer the static variable. Hence, I can access the variable just with its name. Okay. And if you take this non-static variable, it is referred only with the help of the object or instance of a class. Here I instantiated an object for this class and using this object, I am referring to this variable that is demo.roll number. And this is a static method which is declared with the keyword static, and this can be referred or accessed. This can be invoked with the help of just the name of the method, that is display, or there is one more method there is another alternative with the help of its class name. It can be referred with the help of its class name, that is demo example.display. Both these are equivalent. So let us execute this code and find out the output of this code. So exactly this is what we need, isn't it? So it invoked the method display, it printed hello everyone, and this statement also invoked the method display and it printed the statement hello everyone, And this println statement will print the name and the roll number, which is the same output which we got. Hence the code is perfect. And this is how the static variables can be accessed. So now let us understand the difference between the instance variables, local variables and static variables. Let us add some more code to this. So this is my code. I just added a method called public void square which will calculate the square of a number. So how do we access this? Let us invoke this with the help of the object, that is demo.square of, I say 4, let me give 4, and let us run this code and find out the output. So obviously the square is 16 now. So now to understand the difference between the variables, so this is the static variable. And this variable which is declared inside the class is referred to as instance variable. And the variable which is declared as a parameter, or I can also display like this. So if I add these statements, the name, and I'm displaying the same name here. So this variable which is declared inside the class is referred to as local variable. The variable which is declared inside the method is called as local variable because the scope of this variable just remains within this class. When you try to invoke this with the help of an object, or if you try using this in another method, you cannot use it because the access is restricted only to the, if you see name, okay, we have another name. So it is referring to this. Okay, let me, okay. So if I try to refer this local variable inside an other method, look at here what it says. So there is no variable which it can access. So this is invalid. This statement remains invalid. That means no other method in the class can refer this variable. So this is the difference between the static variable, instance variable, and the local variable. So that's all for this class. Thank you.